Welcome everybody to SAKmods. Today I've got another Spydernox build for you. I do have more builds planned, so I'll be making videos here of those shortly, so subscribe, don't miss out on those. So on this one I did do brass scales and brass liners on it. For the scales I did cut out slots for the tweezer and toothpick. I've got blue tweezer and toothpick on this one right now. Tweezer there. And the toothpick. We'll start on this side here. All the tools have been acid etched with ferric chloride to darken them up. Got the scissor there. Got the file, and this did start life as a minichamp, so it's got all the tools of a minichamp plus the Spyderco blade, and we'll get to that. Got the flat blade here, the small flat blade. Oh, already got that one. Got some oil on there. Got the hook blade or orange pillar. This side here we have the ruler that I modded it into a wood saw. I left the flat tip screwdriver on this one. Let's see if you can get a close up of that. Got the combo tool here with the Phillips head screwdriver, bottle cap opener, and the wire stripper. And then the Spyderco blade. This is a blade from the Ladybug, the Spyderco Ladybug. It's a Gen 1 blade. And it is very sharp. Let's see if we can test it out here. Oh yeah. Wife hates it when I do that. I got all these bear marks on my arm. Everything snaps open and closed nicely. Tension nicely. Alright guys, so again, I got more builds on the way, so please subscribe, don't miss out on those. And thank you for watching.